478. And today I want to talk to you about his 73 Caprice Classic Convertible that I'm in here working on, and I just about got it complete, people. He wants to make it to Orange Crush down there in Florida on the 20th, and I'm gonna help my good buddy out. So what I did was I went ahead and made the rear kicks in the back, front kicks, driver and passenger, center console, which houses two 6.5s as well. There is an 8 in there, two 4-inch tweeters in each one of those top pillars. We have two 6x9s made by PRV, which they are extremely loud. We actually sell those. We are out of stock at the moment, but all you have to do if you want a pair of those, they're extremely loud. I want to say they're like $75 a piece, and if that's what you're looking for, if you need me, just let me know, because once we get them back in stock, I will post it back on my other page. So what I'm running in the bottom pillars are PRVs, and I'm going to show it to you. I'll be running this slim mount, show mount PRV, and it's pretty loud. This series right here, the MR series, is 200 watts RMS, but don't let that fool you, because this thing right here packs a pretty good sound, and it's decent. You know what I'm saying? Especially for the price. So in making this panel back here, it is some cutting you have to do, people, but by running the shallow mount, I do go ahead and cut out the excess metal so nothing touches and that speaker can actually go in here. But also right here where the window regulator is, I notched it out, but I also braced it back up and remounted it down at the bottom to where it's still hooked to this metal. So I don't need my customers' windows back up flapping because I didn't do my job correctly. So in saying that, once all that was cut, you know what I'm saying, those grills go back over there once I install the speaker, and then everything is pressure fitted, and so, you know, it fits nice and snug. Now the neat thing about this front pillar is I built it out far enough to where it doesn't have to do any cutting into the structure of the vehicle, which all my customers love. Let me see, can I get this grill off here? Something a little tight. Let me grab something. Hang on one second. There we go. Didn't want it to come off, it would have came off. So now you see just, you know, how much I brung it out to where once I run the speaker in here, I'm not having to worry about cutting any metal out of this structure and all that good stuff. So this is what I'm gonna do for you. A setup like this, I usually run anywhere from $1,200 to $1,500. What I got going on right now, all these pillars, top, rear, the front, the both fronts, the console, I'm doing a package for like $1,500 wrapped. I mean, who else is gonna wrap them to? We pick out and we agree on whatever type of vinyl and the color you need. You can get with me on that, but yes, I will wrap them as well. Have any questions, need me, let me know. If you like something like this, I'm at SoundSource in Macon, Georgia. All you have to do is contact me. I'll leave all my contact information. My name is BJ, and you have a great day. Thank you.